There's a movie coming out that I really wanted to find a book to read to you guys. It's called Ruby Gilman's Teenage Kraken, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm going to read The Kraken's Rules for Making Friends by Brittany R. Jacobs. Many monsters call the deep sea home. Giant spider crab, anglerfish, lizardfish, goblin shark, gulper eel, but there is one more terrifying than others. The Kraken. Where did everyone go? Why don't they like me? Maybe I should try to be someone else. Hey friends, what's Kraken? I'm Koi, lied the Kraken. Something smells fishy, said the manta ray. You're awfully big for a koi. That's because he's not a koi, shrieked the tuna. He's the Kraken! Why won't anyone be my friend? What's so bad about me? I'm really very nice. Even the great white shark has friends. How does he do it? Wondered the Kraken. Maybe I should ask him. Excuse me, shark, said the Kraken. How do you get along with all those fish? How did he get them to like you? I mean, you're a shark. How does a Kraken make friends? I'm tired of being all alone. There's no reason to have a sea cow, replied the shark. Wipe away those tears, because all you have to do is follow these rules for making friends. And rule number 1 is keep your cool. No one likes a pouting fish. You can take off that ridiculous costume and get working on rule number 2. Smile. Don't be such a grumpy gill. Rule number 3. Hugs, not slugs. You've got to let fish know you care. I just want a hug. Rule number 4. Share, said the shark. Don't keep all the goods to yourself. Rule number 5, said the shark. Lend a helping fin or tentacle in your case. Rule number 6 for making friends. Be yourself. But I'm the Kraken. And I'm a great white shark. Some things cannot be helped, so you have got to make the best of what you've got. Go get 'em. With that, the Kraken floated over to the group and they all screamed and swam away. Well, all but one,